A very happy morning to my cute little children. So here we are with subject science and our chapter amazing animals. Our today's topic is breathing organs और ये जो topic है वो बहुत ज़्यादा interesting है. Part 5 today's date 3rd November 2020. तो चलो हम देखते हैं organs for breathing. आज हम देखेंगे कि how do various animals breathe. We have a nose, but do bacteria have a nose? No, but then also bacteria is able to breathe. Do earthworm have a nose? No, but then also earthworm is able to breathe. And how do insects breathe? सोचो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है ये सब. तो आज हम वही पढ़ेंगे. So let's begin. What are these children? This is amoeba and this is paramecium. What are they? Amoeba and paramecium? They are microorganisms. बहुत छोटे-छोटे organisms होते हैं ये, जिनको हम हमारी आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. तो हम उन्हें कैसे देखते हैं? We see them under a microscope. And when our classes will start, we will see them under a microscope in our science lab. See, they are so small. We can't even see them. Then how do they breathe? Isn't it interesting to know कि ये कैसे breathe करते हैं? See, they are single-celled organism. They breathe by their body surface. ये जो surface दिख रहा है आपको ऐसे पूरा, ये यहाँ से breathe करते हैं. Gases come in and gases go out. Gases come inside and gases go out. This is how breathing occurs in microorganisms. So, what we study? Tiny organisms. Tiny organisms like amoeba and paramecium breathe through their body surfaces. Okay? अब हम दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. What is this? This is a grasshopper and grasshopper is a type of insect. अगर आप insect होते तो आप कैसे breathe करते? See, in insects like grasshopper, they are having tiny holes on their body surface. Can you see? These are the tiny holes and this is the magnified image of it. They are having tiny holes on their body surfaces and they are known as spiracles. Spiracles, what are they known? Come on, tell with me. They are known as spiracles and through this spiracles, gases come inside their body and through this spiracles, gases go out from their body. वो इतने छोटे से तो होते हैं. They can't have nose. They are very tiny insects. So on their body they are having this holes. So what we study? Insects like grasshoppers have tiny holes along the side of their bodies. These holes are called spiracles. And through breathing tubes, the gas moves in the whole body or is circulated in the whole body. Then comes aquatic animals. Aquatic animals like crabs, prawns and fishes. How do fishes breathe? ये तो बहुत interesting है. We are not able to breathe inside water. Can we breathe inside water? Can we stay inside water? क्या हम वहाँ पर वैकेशन करके आ सकते हैं? No, but fishes are able to live inside water. How they are able to live inside water? सोचो. See children. Fishes are having gills. हमारे पास lungs होते हैं, ठीक है? Fishes are having gills. See, this is gills. And how do they breathe? See, water in. वो क्या करते हैं? सबसे पहले पानी मुंह से अंदर लेते हैं. They take water inside and then water out. It means that fishes takes water in through mouth and passes through the gills out. And in between, the oxygen which is dissolved in the water is sucked by the body of the fish. ऐसे वो ब्रीथ करते हैं. कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है ये. हम कैसे लेते हैं सांस? We take in air, right? We take in air through nose, then the air goes inside our lungs and we take oxygen from it, and then we again breathe out air which contains carbon dioxide. Similarly fishes do. Instead of air वो क्या लेते हैं? They take water, and they take water from mouth. They take water from mouth and pass it through the gills. And in gills, oxygen is taken from the water and carbon dioxide dissolves in water, and this water comes out from the gills. Isn't it interesting? See, gills, water in, water out. Now let's see real gills. See, these are the real gills. It was animated one. It was such a fish head, and these are the gills. Then comes frog. Now children, in the last class we studied that frogs are amphibians. They can live on land as well as on water. वो पानी में भी रह सकते हैं और लैंड पे भी रह सकते हैं. How can they do this? वो ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं? We can live only on land. We can't live inside water. Similarly, fish can live only inside water. They can't live on land. But Mr. Frog, he can live on the both, on land as well as water. इसका मतलब वो किससे breathe करते हैं? How do they breathe? What are the breathing organs that a frog has? See, this is the adult frog, and he has a moist skin for breathing. It means when a frog is living in water, जब एक frog water में जाता है तो वो किससे breathe करता है? अपनी skin से. He is able to breathe through his skin. And when the frog comes out on land, at that time he breathes through lungs. इसका मतलब एक adult amphibian के पास दो organs होते हैं breathing के, एक skin और एक lungs. When frog goes inside water, it breathes through skin, and when it comes out, he breathes through lungs. Clear? See, that is why they are known as amazing animals. Then we are having earthworm. Where do we find earthworm? From the name itself, earthworm. Inside the soil. तो soil के अंदर वो कैसे breathe करते होंगे? Let's see. ऑक्सीजन लंग्स में रखते हैं and then they are able to move in the water. This is how they breathe by lungs. Now time for your worksheet. Now time to test your memory. So first question, what are the breathing organs of insects called? Remember the diagram of grasshopper. Second, we cannot breathe in water, but fish can breathe easily in water. Why? Just give the breathing organs of fish and human being. You will get the idea. Third, name a tiny organism which breathes through body surface. What are breathing tubes? What is the breathing organ of earthworm?